Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don and Walking Lady.
Hi everyone. So we just had dinner inside the Triton. What is it called?
This is Triton Beach Hotel's dinner area. So they arrange this every once a week, which is kind of like a benefit to the guest, and it's already included in our stay. So we got lucky that today is this arrangement. So we just had dinner and then we are now heading back to we're heading back to our hotel, but we wanted to show you a little bit which is how the Maafushi is at night, and you can see that a lot of people are out, and it looks like very vibrant environment. And that street, any street actually you walk, it leads to the beach. So this is how Maafushi, and the street we are going to hit, I think that's called.
This is one of the Triton Hotel, Triton Boutique.
Oh yeah,
So
this is.
our hotel is Triton Beach.
Yep.
So this is very nice. Okay, so here on Maafushi Island, there is only one area, designated area for bikini and.
For Bikini Beach.
Yeah, for bikini beach. And the rest you cannot wear bikini. Okay, so we will show you later. We will try to show you later where is the bikini beach area.
So there are lots of stores along the way. They're like stores, gift shops, restaurants. So
And they're next to each other.
Yeah, they're next to each other.
Coral Way. So this is no, not this one. I'm thinking it's like what like was here, but no.
Yeah, I think that's a different one.
The name is Sunny Side Boutique.
Sunny side, okay.
So if we find the Sunny Side Boutique, we can show the store. But look at that, so many dresses.
It looks like most of the stores are open.
Yeah, they're open late. I like it here, it's so very bright.
Yeah.
The street looks so bright.
Right.
And here another souvenir shop.
Yep.
And across is the grocery store.
Oh look, there's a grocery
It's a big
store.
one.
Looks like a big grocery store. Okay.
Okay. I think we can go straight there.
Yeah, I think that's what is the name of the street? The guy told us. Harbor.
Harbor Road.
Harbor Road. Okay.
Harbor Road, Harbor Street.
Yeah, something like that.
We can go there. So this is another souvenir shop. Shiny souvenirs.
Yep.
The name of the store is Shiny.
So lots of souvenir shops here.
Yeah, there are apartments. Right?
Yep.
Sunshine. Sunshine art.
Oh, there's look, there's a nice cat there.
Oh. Yeah, there was a cat that came to us when we were having dinner.
Yeah.
Okay, and so we try to we gave one piece of chicken. Alright? The guy told us. No, that's not the guy. The chef was trying to
Yeah.
like push away the cat.
Oh yeah, the chef, the chaser with the cats.
Yeah, chasing away the cat. Oh, this is a very good store. Look at that.
Oh yeah, they have lots of gift shop. This is a big gift shop. Yeah, they have lots of things here.
Oh, we're now close to I think the Harbor Street.
Harbor Street, yeah.
Yes.
So the ocean is right next to it. Then they are playing loud music.
Yeah. And then we will get copyright if we are so close to that music. So I think we will try to avoid, but they said.
No, I don't think I'm.
Yeah. I think we just have to keep talking,
Yeah.
Yeah. So right now it's like 8 o'clock.
Yeah, it is 8:20.
8:20, and you know, the more the night is getting late,
Yeah,
the more the Maafushi is getting alive.
yeah. So, so here, lots of
Right here.
tour shops. You can buy like tours, activities.
And here you can later we can show you where is the designated area for the bikini beach. For the bikini, wearing bikini.
So because this is an Islamic island, they have set rules. You cannot wear a bikini everywhere. So they're like, what we showed is the guidelines, how to dress up. And looks like they have a Baskin Robbins ice cream.
Look at this fruit. I don't know the name of this fruit. Yeah,
So
but yeah, you can eat this.
this fruit is huge. And we saw on Ukulas, they're more colorful than this.
They're very red.
Very like a mixture of colors. And what is this here?
Another restaurant.
Oh, they have shisha. They have shisha.
What is that?
That's the guy smoking. They have
The name
shisha.
is caviar.
So the shisha is kind of tobacco you inhale, and it's a very nice flavored tobacco. Looks like they have it here, and that's what they're smoking.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, now I'm smelling fish.
Yeah, I guess like a squid.
Dry.
It's
I
really
think
sweet.
someone is drying fish. Yeah.
So this one is Kaani Hotels, and it looks very nice hotels.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like a luxury hotel
Yeah.
here, right? And we can show you soon where is the
Bikini Beach.
It's just behind these bushes here, or plants, or, right, or trees.
Oh,
Yeah.
they have nice place to sit here. Oh, there's another cat in the middle of the street.
I think they love cats here.
Yeah.
And this is a value restaurant, like Indian restaurant.
Yep.
And look at here. I didn't notice this earlier.
Oh, they're
So,
doing artwork.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think it is
Yeah, you can buy from here.
yeah, and you can customize, right?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. Like he can add more art there that you like.
Yeah.
So this is Kaani. So one is Kaani Resort. This is Kaani Palm.
Palm Beach.
Yes. Okay. So let's show you the. But for sure there is
No one.
people here. No one here now.
Oh, yeah, it's
because-
empty. And they remove all the chairs.
Yeah. So all the chairs are here now.
Yeah.
Okay, all
So
the chairs are
this
there.
is the Bikini Beach.
Yeah. So I think at night they remove it.
They removed it.
Yes.
Yeah.
But daytime it was
Like full.
of people here
People, yeah.
wearing bikinis up to there.
Yeah. But now
No,
it's
it's
kind of
quiet.
empty.
Yes.
But yeah, this is the place. If you come during the day, it's like really a lot of people.
I didn't know that they are putting away the.
Yeah, that
chairs.
thing surprised me.
Okay. So let's head to the Triton.
Whoa,
Beach.
what these two are doing here? I think they're trying
they're
to.
drinking.
Oh yeah, they're drinking water.
Oh, you're thirsty. Huh. Okay.
These two look like the same who went to the resort.
Yeah, yeah. Now he's thirsty because he ate there, right? At
Yeah,
the-
that's true.
Where we had the restaurant.
Yeah,
So some people are eating here the Indian food.
restaurant. Yeah. Why this chair here? This chair in the middle of the street.
Yeah. I don't know why it's there.
Yeah.
It's fixed there.
Yeah.
And the parrot is here.
Oh, the parrot is still here? Whoa. So it's here 24 hours.
I think this is his home, no?
Yeah.
What is he doing? He's getting something. What are you doing? He's so busy. Okay. Oh, he's eating the
Oh,
seeds,
the
you know,
seeds.
the
Yeah, yeah.
sunflower seeds.
Yeah, he's trying to get
He's
the
trying to get more of the sunflower
food.
seeds. He's giving himself a hard time.
Yeah. And there's
Alright.
another one there on the corner.
Yeah, but that one is a smaller one.
Yeah. And oh, that one he's on his
Oh
arm.
wow, that is a good one. Let's check.
Wow.
The parrot is on his arm.
Oh. He's trying to eat his polo shirt.
Oh my god. There are two. There is one.
Where?
There is another one.
Oh, there's another one there. Whoa. I cannot believe this.
Okay. Oh, they're having fun with
Yeah.
the parrot. So this is the what is that called? The
Gift shop?
No, no, no. The Triton beach where we stay.
Oh, the hotel? Yeah. So we're close to our hotel and we're staying right here at the Triton Beach. Oh. This one? No, not that one. This one, okay.
Yeah. So this is the Triton beach and this is where we stay, guys. And let's look. How many floors is this? I think 6. 6 floors. I think that's it.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
So you want to?
Yeah, so we can just go in and we have separate video showing the hotel
Yeah.
and everything.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we're thinking of going inside and show you a little bit what's inside the Triton Beach, but we have separate video already of that.
Yep.
So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next.